preview.
Hey friends, I'm Parikshet from Kids Fun Club, and today we are going to draw a park. We are drawing a park.
Yes. We are going to draw a pug. Who is a pug?
He's a dog.
He's a dog. So we will need a Sharpie. We are using a Sharpie. You can use a black sketch pen or a pencil.
Yeah. Alright.
A white paper.
Alright, eraser.
Or a eraser too.
Eraser thing is
So, let's start
down.
the pug.
Yeah. Oh,
You want to draw it like this?
Yeah.
Let's do it like this. Let me just confirm if everything is coming. Yeah, it's there. So let us draw the pug.
First, you're going to draw a small
The
line.
face, a small head line. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we'll make his ears.
Yeah.
How are the ears?
It's going to be an easy one, I think. Yeah, it's going to be easy one. Papa only keeps deciding what we're going to make.
Parikshet can also decide, but he's always busy with his mobile games. He does not have time to decide what videos would his friends like.
I always decide, but you don't. It's not looking nice, Papa, does yours?
It's okay.
Yeah, it's a normal one. But this is not looking like a dog only.
It will look. Finish it, it will look. Yeah. Now we make his eyes.
Yeah. Big eyes.
Big eyes.
Not too big.
Not too big.
A little big. Like a chicken. Now let's make a nose.
First, let's finish the eyes.
I finished.
Finished? Okay, now let's make the nose. The nose starts with this triangular thing, and this, and this, and this. Okay? From
Now this is looking like a dog.
here. No.
See, Papa?
Yes.
What?
Okay.
What kind of dog is it? That is Pug.
Yeah. Pug.
He's looking so funny. Pug is a funny one.
Okay. Now we draw the body. How do we do the body? Okay. Okay.
Pug is a scary pug.
Okay.
Because he is little. He is scared to fight
I don't know.
and enemies. Like you.
You have become so naughty. How?
By practicing.
Practicing to be naughty. You are practicing to be naughty.
No.
So I'll ask your teacher tomorrow.
No.
Parikshet says that he is learning to be naughty from you, ma'am. Okay?
No. I'm not doing anything.
That's what you said.
No. I was just joking around.
Yeah. My pug is almost
My pug is kind of ready.
done. Now
My
we
pug
will
is
quickly color it.
Please wait for me.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
Tell the other things.
So before we color, let us tell you that you can visit our website www.kidsfonlunclub.com and find out new step-by-step drawing books for your kids. You can buy them, use them, and you can also get a lot of free
Goodies.
free drawing books.
Like these things.
Yes, and parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings. So parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram.
And you like that application love.
And let's continue with the coloring.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. They follow my color.
Yeah.
What are you doing? I'm not going to follow you because it's too confusing. I have made one ball. I'm going to use that. So friends, if you love the drawing, do like and subscribe my channel to see more drawing ideas. Bye.